Pranam everyone. Okay, so we all have discussed about a form. Okay, uh, a form which can be displayed on our web page for accepting the data from the user and to send that data to the server for further processing. So you have got a knowledge that how you can display a form on your web page and according to our need, according to our choice, and what types of fields you can display on the form. So everything, all the knowledge about a form tag you have got. Now further we will discuss about a very useful tag of HTML that is known as frame set tag. That is frame set tag. Frame set tag is basically used in our web page whenever you want to display more than one web page in the browser windows at the same time. For example, suppose this is your browser window and you must have seen that in this browser window at the top there is a title bar and then there are some options are there, and that this is the window and in which you can view your web page whatever you have designed with the help of coding. So you can till now you have understood that in a browser window you can display only one web page at a time. But if you want to display your browser window, if you want to display more than one web page in your browser's window, then frame set tag is used in that situation. For example, suppose you want to divide this browser window either into two parts horizontally, or you want to divide this browser window, this window, into two parts equally vertically, and in this part you want to display one web page, and in this part you can display another web page. In the same way, vertically also, in this part you can display one web page, and in this part you can display another web page. Are you getting my point? So that means in place of one web page, here you can display two web pages at the same time in browser's window horizontally, and here you can display two web pages at the same time vertically. Another example, for example, you must have seen so many web pages on the net. A browser window has been divided, for example, suppose this and this and this. You can see a complete browser window has been divided into part 1, part 2, part 3 and part 4. That means complete browser window has been divided into 4 parts, and each part you can display another web pages. In each part you can show different web pages as per your need, as per your choice. So how this is possible? That means this complete browser window has been divided in different frames. This is one frame, this is another frame, this is third frame, and this is the fourth frame. And in each frame you can display one separate web page as per your need, as per your choice, by which you will be able that in the same browser window you will be able to view multiple web pages at the same time. So how this is possible? This is possible only because of the frame set tag. That means with the help of frame set tag you can divide your complete browser window in multiple frames, and in each frame you can display one separate web page as per your need, as per your choice. So with the help of the frame set tag, you can view multiple web pages at the same time in browser's window. Okay, so how this is possible? This is possible because of the frame set tag. Okay, so first of all, we will try to write the coding for this particular, you can say, particular browser's window. That means this browser window I have divided a complete browser window into two equal parts. And this is the upper part, this is the lower part. In the first upper part, we will display one web page, and in the second lower part, we will display another web page. How this is possible? So first of all, what we need to do, you need to do that. First of all, you need to design a web page which need to be displayed in this part of the browser window, and another web page you will design which need to be displayed in this web page. Okay, so first of all, I am designing one page, very simple web page, and I will give one web page which will display in the upper part of the browser window. And I am giving the title to this web page, that is frame 1. Sorry, head. Simply I am writing here, it is frame 1 web page. And I will save this particular web page with the name frame 1 on the documents folder. Okay, so I have designed a very simple web page, and this web page I will display in the upper part of this browser's window. That means the upper frame, this is the frame. You can say this is frame 1, this is frame 2. So in frame 1, whatever web page I need to display, I have designed that web page here. Now in the second frame, which I need to display in the second frame of the browser window, I am going to design it second web page which I want to display in the second frame of the browser window. I have design that web page, and I will save this web page with the name frame 2 in the document folder. Now, now I have to write the coding, the separate file for displaying both the web pages, both these upper web pages in the both the frames, both in two different frames, which has been shown, which has been divided, which will divide the browser's window into two horizontal equal parts. Okay, so I'm writing the coding. HTML. Title. Now, after the body tag, I need to use frame set tag. And inside the frame set tag, I will use frame attribute, and here I will give 50%, comma 50%. We will assume that the complete size of the browser window is 100. Sorry, here we will rows. The complete size of the browser window, that is 100, and we have to divide the complete. I am going to divide the complete browser window two equal parts, that is 50%. That if I have 50% and 50%, the width of the each frame, that will be 50%, and because I am going to divide that complete window horizontally, that is why I have written here row wise, that is row wise, rows. Okay, so for dividing the complete browser window into horizontally, that is I you need to use rows attribute of frame set tag, and in how many total size, that is 100%. If you want to divide that into two parts, then you can write it at either you will write in equal part, then 50-50%. If you want to, you can make it, that is the combination of all the percentage that should be equal to 100. That is, if you want to make it short, that is 30 to 70, 70 30, 40 60, 60 40. If you want to divide into three equal part, 30 comma 30 comma 40, in this way. Okay, that means total of all the percentage should be not more than 100%. Okay, and after that, inside you will use the frame tag, then here you will use the src attribute of the frame tag, and here you want to write the complete path of that particular web page to which you want to display in this particular frame. So I'm writing here frame, that is frame 1, and then this particular web page which I have designed first, that is with the name frame 1, that will be displayed in the first part of this browser window, in the first frame of this window, and in the second frame is frame 2. And then I will close this particular tag, that is frame set. Okay, and after that I will close the body tag, and then I will close the HTML tag. Then save this particular web page, exporting, that is with the name frames.html. Just enter HTML. I have forgot to write .html, frame.html, and then save it on the desktop. Okay, so this particular file will be displayed on the web page, and when you will open this particular file, that particular file will be open in the web browser, and you will see that your web browser window has been divided into two equal horizontally parts, and in the first part one web page is displaying, and in the another part, another frame, another web page is displaying. Okay, so do the practical, okay, and then view the effect. In the same way, if you want to divide your browser window into two equal parts vertically, then what change you need to do? Simply you need to change here only, in place of that is, this is for horizontally, and if you want to divide that is vertically, then you write cons, that is column wise, that is vertically. Rest will be same. Okay, so if you want to divide that is vertically, then in place of rows you will write cos here, and if you want to divide that is horizontally, then in place of cos you will write horizontally. Okay, so I am going to write also the practical for dividing the window vertically. And here I am writing simply, but you have to copy the complete path of that particular web page which need to be displayed inside the frame. Okay, the complete path you need to copy, as I have told you how you can get the complete path. You will copy it from there and you can paste it. Okay, so this is the coding for dividing the complete browser window to two equal vertical parts, and in each part you can display a separate web page as per your need. And this was the coding for dividing the complete browser window horizontally. Okay, so do the practical according to that, whatever I have told you, and view the effect of it. Okay, so tomorrow we discuss about some more topics related to frames. So thank you for today.